Well, good evening and happy Sunday to you. Meteorologist Brandon Lashbrook here, and we saw some rain showers and storms roll through the area earlier, brought down that heat we saw earlier this afternoon, brought the temperatures down into the 70s, and that's where we'll stay as we go into the overnight period, with our lows only into the lower to mid 70s, with overall muggy conditions and cloudy skies for our overnight period as you head into your early Monday morning. And Monday is going to be another rather wet day, as we're again going to see numerous showers and storms overspread the region, beginning in the later morning hours and lasting throughout most of the afternoon into the evening hours as well. Thankfully, though, with the rain and increased cloud cover, will be slightly cooler, as we'll see highs tomorrow only in about the mid 80s. But with the increased humidity, the heat index values will still manage to make it to the upper 80s and lower 90s for those peak values in the afternoon hours. So, looking at your rainfall chances timing wise, we'll be going to this tonight overnight period, mainly on the drier side as rain kind of begins to move out. Maybe a few isolated showers, can't rule it out through tonight, but by tomorrow morning, and that's when we're going to see more rain showers and storms move into the area, kind of begin to increase in coverage into tomorrow afternoon throughout the evening hours as well. So for your commutes out there Monday, make sure you use extra caution on the roadways and give yourself extra time too to get to your destinations. Then as you go into Monday night, still going to see some showers out there and a few storms as well. And then as we go into your Tuesday, another round of some showers and storms likely beginning, similar to how Monday will be in the morning into the evening hours as well, kind of throughout the day with rain showers and some storms. Some rain maybe bring on the heavier side too, maybe seeing some downpours, possibly with some localized flooding. Can't rule it out. So of course, make sure you are weather aware, but that flooding risk is mainly for low-lying and those poor drainage areas that typically see those kinds of issues. So over the next few days, we'll see those elevated rainfall chances. That's all due to that tropical moisture moving in off the Gulf of Mexico. Now, no tropical direct impacts from that area of low pressure that may develop in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, but indirectly, we're going to get that more increased moisture, so therefore that increased rainfall chance as you go over the next few days through about midweek or so. Now, thankfully, most of the heavier rainfall looks to remain to our southwest towards portions of the northwestern Gulf of Mexico and the Texas coast, maybe near Lake Charles or so. But locally, you can expect maybe about an inch or so of rain for areas near or north of the 10 and 12 corridor, and you'll get the higher rainfall totals as you go near and south of the 10 and 12 corridor, where we could see about 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next few days through about Wednesday or so. So again, it has a chance for localized flash flooding, a possibility, but mainly for those low-lying and poor drainage areas. Now, the bulk of that tropical moisture will begin to move westward and out of our area as we go about midweek or so. And so as we go into the back half of this week, we'll see a little bit more sunshine and more of a typical afternoon shower and storm chance that we'll see during the summer by Thursday into your Friday. And so our highs will be warming back up into about the lower to mid 90s. And with those dew points still pretty high, we'll have heat index values topping out in the lower 100s as we finish off this upcoming work week, heading toward the new weekend next weekend. So look at your 7-day forecast. Next few days will be rather wet and soggy with multiple rounds of some rain showers and some storms out there through about Wednesday. And then after that, we'll get to a more afternoon scattered isolated shower and storm chance, again typical of afternoon summertime pattern, with highs warming into about the lower to mid 70s or mid 90s rather, and our lows still pretty warm and muggy in the 70s for your overnight lows there.